Hi, I'm Dr. Jaswant Singh Sachdev. I'm a resident of Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm a neurologist by profession. I've been living here in Phoenix since 1976. I joined the Arizona Interfaith Movement when it started about 25 or 30 years ago. I basically represent the Sikh faith in the Interfaith Movement. When I read the Golden Rules, I realized that this is what we represent. Our faith actually talks about these things. So when I came here and Dr. Paul Eppinger started this movement, I felt that there is a need for me to join. So I started representing the Sikh community. I believe all humanity is the creation of one creator. Whether we call it by a different name and another religion recognizes it by another name. But the fundamental reality, the fact is that there is only one who is controlling the entire world, the creator, and therefore I don't see any disparity. When you talk to different faith people, not everybody thinks the same way, not everybody eats the same way, not everybody thinks the same way. But after all, we are all human beings. We all have one purpose here on this earth, to make it look better and make it convenient and easier for the others to live like you want to live, let the other live like love. Living in harmony, peacefully, letting people practice what they want to practice, and you practice what you want to practice without any limitations, I think is the best way to have this beautiful world stay beautiful and live life very comfortably the way it should have. It's a complicated word, but if we remember this thing that live and let live is the basic human fundamental policy that has been practiced and preached all over the world throughout ages. Think constructively, not destructively. Do things which will let you survive and let you grow and progress, at the same time letting other people grow and progress.